Have you ever struggled with the beard trimmers missing those stubborn, low-lying hairs? For the last 5 years, I have been using the Panasonic eye shaper, but it often missed hairs close to the skin. So I decided to try the Philips with the Lift and Trim Pro system, which promises to capture and lift all your low-lying hairs for a precise cut. Sounds perfect, right? Let's see if it delivers. When I first inspected the Lift and Trim Pro system on the Philips trimmer, I could not spot anything unique. There is no vacuum mechanism, and the comb attachment gaps are similar to the Panasonic's, without any special features to lift the hair. To put them to the test, I used the Philips trimmer on the left side on my face and the Panasonic on the right. Here is what I found. Panasonic's design made it easy to move around my face and change shaving direction quickly. Philips has self-sharpening blades that do not require oil or replacements, while Panasonic's rounded edges and narrow gaps protect the skin better, especially for short shaves. Philips is 100% waterproof, making it easy to clean under the tap, unlike Panasonic, which can't be washed with water. But what about the Lift and Trim Pro system? Despite the claims, I did not notice any difference in capturing low-lying hairs. Both trimmers miss some of this hair. So, if you are looking for ease of movement and skin protection, Panasonic might be your go-to. However, if you prefer low maintenance and self-sharpening blades, Philips could be the better choice. In the end, it comes down to your own personal preferences and priorities. Have you had similar experiences with this or other trimmers? Let me know in the comments below.